All right, well, in our family, when you turn 10 years old, you get to go on your first motorcycle camping trip. And so Preston turned 10 years old back in April, and it was time to load him up on the Harley Davidson and head for the Blue Ridge Parkway. So one Friday afternoon in July, that's what we did. This happened to coincide with the Canadian wildfires that were pushing a lot of smoke down into the northeast. And so on this particular day, there was a fair amount of smoke, but we were heading about 2 hours south of our home, so we thought maybe we could outrun it. And for the most part, we did. I had camped on the Blue Ridge Parkway in 2024 in a previous motorcycle video you can find on this channel. But this was my first time headed for the Otter Creek campground at milepost 60. Unfortunately, because of the smoke, a lot of the overlooks were, well, there wasn't much to overlook. But it was still awesome to be on this beautiful windy road up in the Blue Ridge Mountains with my boy Preston. Okay, we're at the Otter Creek campground, milepost 60 on the Blue Ridge Parkway. We snagged campsite number 32, B32. We're gonna get a little fire going, set our tent up, have some Chick-fil-A sandwiches, and have a good night. It's pretty warm, and the Canadian wildfires have a lot of smoke pushed down this way. Fortunately, we came about 2 hours south of home, so it cleared up for us. But it kind of ruins the views on the Blue Ridge, but it's not affecting the air that we are breathing, so that's a win. Anyways, let's go. It was particularly hot out, and the smoke was kind of a new thing that had happened, but the campground was absolutely empty. We were struck by how there were about 3 sites taken. I think there are 60 sites at this campground, and there were only about 3 or 4 taken, which was kind of wild. But we got to work setting things up, and this is a great campground because there's nice pads for your tent. And because we had such a small footprint, we set up our chairs and my little firebox on that spot as well, which is really nice, level place to set up shop. Pretty good?
Yeah.
Pretty okay? Pretty medium safe? We made our version of Chick-fil-A sandwiches, which turned out absolutely awesome. We did have a couple of crazy things happen with the fire, getting all that figured out, but it worked out, and we enjoyed a great meal together. Then we took a walk around the campground. I'll tell you what, if there wasn't smoke, I would want to jump back on that bike and go chase down an overlook or two. But you're not going to see much of all the smoke. This will be good too, though, to scope out. Oh, there's some sticks we can grab on our way back for our fire. This will be good to scope out for future trips, like the best site or whatever, you know? That's a double, yeah. Look at that. See, I don't like how close these two are to each other. That would suck, unless you rented them like with your friends. Like the Kansan wanted us in another. Yeah, there's not much to do for 9 kids. Yeah, make the YouTube thumbnail. What's wrong with this campground? This is nuts. This is definitely the one that Stacy from Ride to Food stayed at in her video. I'm like 99% sure. She stayed in a site that looked very much like ours, so that'd be cool. He's got this whole campground to himself.
Yeah.
Look at these rocks down here, that's cool. There's definitely some gnats.
That's
Yeah, I wouldn't, you're not gonna do a polar plunge in there.
no. It's like 75% rock.
Right. Oh look, this tells you all the campgrounds on the Blue Ridge. There's only 3 in Virginia, and there's 5 in North Carolina. Peaks of Otter and Otter Creek, I've been at both of those. Oh yeah, look, here's a map. So that's where we did lunch with Gran and Toddy.
Okay, so
And we made it all the way down to here.
Oh wow, so
Yeah.
So
And that's where we got on.
Where did you go with Bill and Ed?
I got off at Vesuvius, right there. So I only went to there. And then we got off and went over here, and then we went up towards home.
Okay.
So you and I did a whole lot more than that. That looks fun. We could go up there to Buena Vista.
Yeah.
We could get off. We could go all the way over to Amherst.
And then go back up to its home?
Yeah, it's just, that's a lot. That's going to be a long day.
Yeah.
It's really up to you, I guess. The Otter Creek Restaurant and Gift Shop. Concessions are closed. Look how bad that door is.
That's not a
Look,
door.
there's a light on in there, though. That's crazy.
Either that electricity, something's wrong with the electricity, or somebody's actually in there.
Yo, that's kind of creepy.
Yeah. And that's not even good. That's fucking good.
I think it just feels better to be walking. Look how bad that roof is.
It's cool.
And those gutters, oh my gosh. Dude, this building's gonna fall in someday. Wait, look at it. There's a spider web.
Remember the spider
Maybe? Oh, this is awesome, dude. This is kind of like what AC and I did, except we were on a log.
Oh, this is like an old paver or something.
Yeah, I saw that. It's like an old pillar mount. Oh, these are the camp hosts. We'll have to ask them. Let's go. Yeah, why don't we go? Let's just walk. Well, Preston is easily our most patient marshmallow roaster. And so I didn't realize we were having a contest, but I roasted the first 2 marshmallows, and then Preston did the second 2. And boy, oh boy, did he kick my butt. His turned out much better. And I guess everything's a contest when somebody's is better. But that was fun. We heard some rustling behind us, and we weren't sure what it was. We turned around, and it was a beetle. that was probably the size of my GoPro, which was pretty wild. So we did our best to capture some footage of that. And then it was time for sleep. And thankfully, there was plenty of noise from nature, which helped us sleep really, really good. And just like that, it was morning. We both slept great. And thankfully, the temperatures came down a bit in the night, so we didn't sweat our way through the evening. But we woke up to an empty campground and a whole day ahead of us to figure out what it was we wanted to do. After a quick walk to the bathrooms to fill up water and reset after a night of sleep, it was time to head back to the campsite and work on getting things packed up. One of the reasons we prioritize doing this in our family is just to mark a moment when you're less of a boy and more of a man. And so we did this with Anderson when he turned 10. And it was super fun to get to do it again with Preston now that he was 10. We had a great time, but he wanted to hit the road, and so he started getting things organized and dialed in so that we could pack that bike up and start crushing some miles together. The best part about camping on the Blue Ridge Parkway is you get to start your day cruising on the Blue Ridge Parkway. And so we were at milepost 60 and we headed back north for quite a while. We decided we'd get off at Buena Vista, head over to Highway Route 60, and then head east towards Amherst and explore some new roads. So that's exactly what we did. But man, it was beautiful. We were seeing some deer out in the morning. I think we counted around 6 deer on this trip. But it was a beautiful morning to be crushing some miles. Handed that camera back to Preston and let him be the camera guy for a little while. He did a great job. So these were all new roads. This is called Constitution Forest. It was unreal. It was like being in Narnia. It was like something from another planet. Just beautiful vines growing up and down all the trees. This is Route 60 headed east, and we absolutely loved it. Well, we cruised our way towards home. We stopped and grabbed this awesome picture because Preston loves pigs. We hit an antique shop where we found an absolutely awesome pennant marking our hometown, and this was our route on Preston's 10-year-old adventure. Thanks so much for watching. We got some more fun stuff coming your way. We'll catch you on the next video.